Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about Toyota. So Toyota, as you know, they are trying to play catch up to Tesla right now. They are announcing they have their own giga-press now. And it can reduce from hours to just minutes. They can make car in minutes. That's pretty impressive. But of course, the downside is it is just harder to repair. So yeah, that's the downside. And they try to produce 3.5 million EV by the end of this decade. So decade is 10 years. That's quite a long way to go. Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.